Hello and welcome to Snapshare. My friends, today we are learning math. Yes, that's right, math. You see how useful and how important it is. Intro.
What?
My friends, the first thing you need to know about math is that it's in everything we do, it's everywhere.
That's why you look so clueless all the time, right?
That's likely to be true, but that's also beside the point. Friends, let's say you're cooking. When you're cooking, you're using units of measure like a kilo, half,
Grams.
ratio, and etc. There are many units of measure for cooking. When you need gasoline, how many liters of gasoline do you put into your car tank? 10 liters. And also, do you know how many square meters are there in your house? So my friends, you see how math is useful. It's everywhere. Okay, my friends, now let's see how sums work, okay? Or aka addition. And the best place to illustrate sum is when you're shopping, you're at the supermarket, at the cashier, and every time the cashier rings an item, the number on the display goes up. For example, come on.
A bag of crisps, a carton of milk, eggs, meat, bread.
Until you're broke.
When you add, you're getting a sum.
Now let's use some multiplication, my friends. And I have a very good example for you. Have you ever calculated how much meat you need for a barbecue? Well, it's simple. Each person eats about 300 grams of meat. Few eat more.
5 kilos when I'm not hungry.
About that. So if each one would eat 300 grams of meat and you have 10 guests, what would you do? You would multiply 300 times 10, giving you 3,000 grams, aka 3 kilos, right?
So 56 times 41 is 2,296.
Now, my friends, we got division, which brings the question, do you like to share? Of course you do. You like to share, so click on the share button here, okay, below here, and share this video with your friends, right? Now, back to the video. Let's say that you have a chocolate bar and 5 friends around you. So what do?
You run to the hills!
No, you share, you divide it. You get the bar and divide it by 5, which is a fifth or a fraction for each of your friends. You have to share, my friends, okay? Phil, don't be selfish, man. Come on.
2 for you, 1, 2 for me. 3 for you, 1, 2, 3 for me.
Finally, we got subtraction, but this one is sad, okay, guys? I notice this every time I open my fridge in my house, okay? Every time I open it, there's less and less food.
Wow!
But it really means to remove units, okay? The best way to illustrate this is to compare our salary to our bills. Our bills will always subtract money from our bank accounts. Subtracting, till we get nothing.
I know how to solve this problem.
How?
Don't pay your bills.
Like we had an option. My friends, this should cover the basics, okay, my friends? So thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Let's say you want to fill up the car of your tank. My friends, the first thing you need to know about math is that it's really My friends, the first thing you need to know about math is that it's